Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys very simple steps how to create a new Gmail account on your Android phone. So first of all, of course, you open your phone and then open your Gmail. Obviously you have another account existing on your Gmail, so you just click Gmail, and then this is my email, and then you click on your profile photos or your profile account. You just click that one, and then there is an option of add another account. You just click add another account, and then of course you click the Google, click the Google, and then you wait, and then you have to verify it if you are using the lock screen on your phone, and then the option of here is create an account. So I can create an account, and then there are two options for my personal use or for my business. So obviously if you choose for personal use, most likely you won't able to use your Gmail in the future, since Gmail filtering people to create another account, multiple account at once. So I suggest you to create work of my business. So just click that one, and then you follow any instruction from your phone, and then that's it. Later your Gmail will be created, and this is very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel, or you can click thanks on down below. We will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.